Hello, foreign friends. This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services, and we're going to talk about the Philippine Visa and Immigration Pact. Now, the discussion of the retirement visa qualifications, the brief overview, and the discussion of the requirements has been like taking episodes there, and we hope that it gives you an insights or information for it to help you. During this episode is a little facts of the related to the visa part and the immigration. There is common question right now: can a foreign national who are in the Philippines or on tourist visa open an account? As per regulation by the Philippine Bangko Sentral, all foreigners who wanted to open a bank account will be required to present a permanent ACRI card, or sometimes they quote it as an ACRI card. Now, an ACRI card is an identification of the Bureau of Immigration visas. One of the visas that the Bureau of Immigration is issuing is the tourist visa. It has ACRI card also. The 13A, it has ACRI card. They are distinct with different colors. The working visa is different. The quota visa has different colors also. And there's also a red ACRI card, which is a voluntary ACRI card. Normally, this is applicable for those foreigners who have been given a balikbayan visa upon entry, because normally they're not required in the next 12 months on their stay, but they may opt to apply voluntarily to obtain the balikbayan visa. Those are gray areas because probably we're talking here in the video right now. There might be some people who actually seen this video that will actually like tell me, JR, I was able to open a bank account on tourist visa and I just presented the ACRI card. Yes, that may be true, but I am speaking right now of the proper regulation, because you might be required later on to submit a permanent ACRI card. Why is it that we're doing that? My sister works on one of the banks here in the Philippines, and yet they have certain point in time, few years back, they allowed it. But then again, they are actually now calling their depositors, which are happen to be foreigners, to comply with the ACRI card, because that is the mandate right now of the Central Bank of the Philippines, which is governing the entire banking system in the Philippines. I think it would be a good proposition if you're gonna follow some rules here in the Philippines. But as what I have mentioned earlier, it may be different on the ground. But what we're trying to do right now is to put you on the safe side. And for you to have the permanent ACRI card, you need to have a permanent visa, and in equivalent to that, you can also apply for the SRRV for you to have a permanent residency card in other forms of the visa and with its corresponding identification. So we hope that it somehow clears some point. But should you have any verification, let us know. We will be happy to help you. Just message also if you want to have some best practices or experience here, so that we can also share that with our other viewers that actually seeing this video. So thank you for that. We'll be seeing you. Please do like, share, and subscribe so that you will be notified with our next episodes and videos. Thank you, everyone. Take care.